Okay. The last class discussion about the different okay. The last discussion about different types of the geometric projection. Okay, see all of you uh, write down the diagrams and the different example problems here. Okay, see geometric construction is the last class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. Give the example problems can be write down the diagrams and the different so many problems here in the textbook. See all of you write down the diagram and drawing sheet. Okay. వినబడుతుందమ్మా? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Right now, today discussion one more problem there in the geometric construction in the different your textbook. So many problems there. Write down the all problems in practice in the drawing sheet. Okay. This is only for practice class. For you any guidance to how to draw the diagrams to all of you practice the class very important uh, in the different diagrams. Okay, see all of you uh, the practice different types of the diagrams to use to there in the problems. Okay. Okay. Next one, the fifth problem. Last class, the fourth is completed. The construction of regular polygon, say the pentagon, give the length of the side is clear about you. The next fifth problem, the construction of regular polygon, say hexagon, the give the problem in AB. Your again the problem can be given the problem. There the different see the draw the line in AB equal to the side and extend to VP such a AB and BP. Okay, see clear about the diagram to see see the diagram and the fourth problem. Last class also discussion about you. This is the example problem. See all of you textbook example problems. See example problems in the practice there in the is a give the practice can be more and the different problem can be used. Okay, see the take on the fourth problem already last class the discussion about you in the fourth problem. Okay, see the next is fifth problem. Construction of hexagon given the side in AB is the construction. See this is the problem. First one. Okay, the draw the line AB and equal to side section of the P. The clear about you in the diagram. First AB, see in the AB, extent of the P is your assume your extent of the line or 30 or 30 can be your choice to diagram. Okay, first draw the line AB to the side and extent of the P is a P point such a AB and B. Okay, see this is a problem. This is a regular polygon in the say the hexagon can be given the problem AB. AB is your choice in the dimensions or 30 or 60 your choice. Okay. So you draw the line. These draw the semicircle AB. The semicircle AB on AB and the dividing is it equal 6 part the try and error. Okay, see these are equal in the 6 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or anybody to use the semicircle. Only for the semicircle the 180 degrees is a full circle is 360 degrees. Okay, the semicircle is a 180 degrees can be equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 equal parts can be Taylor and error can be to use here. Okay, Jane B to second division. The is a B, A and B and P is a first A B is the B is a center of point to second division. The fourth point is clear about J B3 the equal parts can be semicircle can be equal parts. Take the equal parts B3. Okay, B4, B5. Already B1, B2 is a clear about B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Okay. See the chain this point produced here. Okay, with 2 as the center of the radius, AB intersect the line B3 produce of the D. Okay, this it B is a second. Okay, this B to second circle. Okay, center of the radius AB, center of circle can be protractor scale and AB radius intersection to line B, intersection line B to draw the produce of the R line. Okay, see the similarly get to point in E and be join 2D and the 2D 2D and the DE okay and the EF and the FA okay A point is get the records of hexagon. These were about the problem different these problem can be give the example the see the textbook so many example problem can be given the write down the practice to okay see these fifth problem or sixth problem there fourth and fifth and sixth problem there the given the point to use there. Okay, this last problem can be geometric line session used to there in the point.
Sir. Sir.
చెప్పమ్మా.
Someone wants to join, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకేనమ్మా ఇంకా
Okay,
ఉన్నారా?
sir. Layer, sir.
రైట్ కనబడుతుందమ్మా డయాగ్రామ్?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, the seventh problem construction of regular figure can give the side length of the N side of the straight line. Okay, see this is one of the example problem to use AB line. C. Okay. This is draw the given the straight line AB to point in the regular. The figure can be side length to last figure of the geometric construction, and only for the 7 example problem and a different so many problems there. See, first sheet and the geometric transition is 8 to 10 problems can be given the draw the drawing sheet. Okay, for the important problem can be there. To all the problem can be see intersecting the line is a regular polygon hexagon and given the two required there. Okay, see first one draw the given the straight line AB. Okay, second point, see all of you, second point, at the B, there the perpendicular BC equal in length of AB. The see the diagram, the AB and at B, okay, at B, the perpendicular BC, okay, equal to length of the AB. Okay, the wrinkled rectangular box can be used to there. The third point chain AC and where it at the perpendicular by sir in AB number of the part 4. Okay, see the uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a number of the part can be cut the perpendicular bicycle can be used there. Okay, complete the square of A, B, C, D of the each in AC is a diagonal. Okay, the AC is diagonal. Okay, see the 50 point with the radius of the AB, center B distribute or AC is showing. Okay, see these fifth point. The fourth point is completed. Draw the diagram. With the fifth point with the radius of AB, center B, center B, center B, center B, center B, describe or AC shown figure. Okay, this is the AC is show figure. The sixth point, here this act and cut the vertical center line number of the 6 parts. Okay, this line the 6 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vertically. This arrow the 6 equal parts. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The equal 6 parts. This is the center of the circle inside which a hexagon on the side AB can be shown in draw. The hexagon can be shown the draw. Okay, see 8 point, the set of the distance 4 and 6, 4 and 6, vertical center line. Okay, 4 and 6, vertical center line. The 9 point mark is setting 5. This is the center of the given the regular pentagon of the side AB can be shown the draw. On the vertical center, line the step of from the point 6, the distance equal the length of to the distance. Okay, see the 5 6, this is the center of the circle in which the regular heptagon of the side AB now in draw. Okay, see this heptagon when we draw the circle. Okay, see for the distance of the 5 6, you know the stepped along is half of along the vertical center line, and the number of the P will be center of the circle which a regular polygon. Okay, see the inscribed of the length of AB and the number of the side, the divided by number of the problem there. Okay, see this is a problem. The clear about your textbook. Simple give the different example problem can be there. And the different is a first take the regular heptagon, regular polygon. This problem. Okay, first one show the length of the perpendicular in the diagonal in the circle and the center of the line, the different pentagon. The pentagon show the pentagon and show the different vertical line can be heptagon. Uh, uh, there is polygon, regular polygon. Okay, see the three types of the showing the diagram can be the geometric construction. There is a diagram clear about you. Okay, see this last problem can be is a one first problem important, second and second problem, the second, this is a third problem, this is a third, and this is a fourth problem is a fifth problem. The sixth seventh problem is not considered, just by idea about you. All the polygon can be joined this problem. Okay, see first fifth problem is a regular say hexagon, say regular say pentagon, and given the circle is a regular polygon, and by setting angle and straight line can be equal parts. This is very important, can be your textbook. First take the geometric translation, and so many problems there in example problem. See the textbook, draw the drawing. Okay, the next topic, started of the new topic, the conic section. Next topic, conic section. The conic section very important. See what is the conic section. The conic section, a right circular of the cone, the rest of the ground is cut by the cutting the plane at the different angles. Okay, the for example cone is a different angle. The profile of the cut the position can be C is a curve of the circle. curve of the circle. Curve of the circle. The circle is a ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. And the write down the all of you. This is the theory part. First, this is a geometric construction over. The next part is your syllabus, the conic section. Okay, all of you write down the కనబడుతుందమ్మా? హలో హలో
Yes, sir.
కనబడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the all of you the conic section. In the next topic, write down your notebook. What is the conic section? The conic section is a very important topic. The three topics there: ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. What is the conic section? A right circular cone. The rest of the ground is a cut by cutting plane the different angle. Okay, at the different angle, the profile of the cut are seen as a curve such as circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Those are curve is called a conic section. Okay, these are conic section: circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Those are curve is called a conic section. Any conic section is a rest of the ground cut by the angle the different by the plane at the different angle. The at the plane different angle, the so many angle can be is a cut. The curve is a circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. This is called a conic section. Okay, this is write down the theory. The conic is a forward in the right angle, the triangular with the apex, and the angle is rotating about this disk as the apex. The height of the cone is equal to the disk is a triangular of the radius as the basic of the cone is equal to the basic of triangle. Thus, the apex angle is the conics when the conics cut by the plane to curve forward the elongate section of the is known as a conic section. Circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola is a four pointed by the diagrams. First, take the any one plane. For example, the conic section is go to the ice cream. For example, the go to ice cream is how to shape the ice cream shape conics. The conic section. When the cut the plane is the perpendicular to axis of the conics, the curve is intersection of the circle. For example, when the cut the planes, cutting planes, on the cone is the cutting plane is a perpendicular to the axis of the cone. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఒక యాక్సిస్ను కట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆ కరోను ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఒబిడిటీ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్, ఆ సర్కిల్ని ఆ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్లో కట్ చేసిన సర్కిల్నే ఆ సర్కిల్ అంటారు. దిస్ ద కట్ ఆఫ్ ది plane of the perpendicular to axis. The perpendicular to axis is a cut the curve, the intersection of the circle. Okay, see, this is a circle. What is mean the circle? When the cone is cut by a section plane AA making a angle 90 degrees, with the axis the section of the obtuse of a circle. This is the first point. In the conic section, when the cut the plane is a perpendicular to the axis of the cone. For example, cone perpendicular వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు ఏ విధంగా కనబడుతుంది? This curve is intersection of the circle. When the cut the plane, the passing through the apex and the basic of the cone, the curve of intersection of the isolated triangle. The isolated triangle can be used to there. This is the circle can be different. Okay, first take on the circle. First, all of you write on the circle. Okay, conic section. Conic section is a important topic to draw the diagram and the different first circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. The four things in the conic section, the four diagrams, and see the your textbook. All of you textbook can be see the different type of the problems, how to draw the circle. Okay, the third point, write down the circle. Third point, when the cut the plane inclined to the axis of the cone to the curve intersection of the ellipse. Okay, see the when the cut the plane, one is a conic section, is a cut the plane. When the cut the plane is inclined, the circle is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular to the axis of the cone, the curve the intersection of the circle. Okay, see the when the cut the plane is inclined to the axis of the cone to the curve is ellipse. Okay, the ellipse angle. Okay, see second part, when the conics is cut by the intersection the plane of the inclined angle. For example, see the diagram. Okay, see the diagram. All of you see the diagram. This is a conic section. The conic section, first one, the AA is a perpendicular. Okay, the perpendicular angle to intersection the circle. This is a BB angle, inclined angle. Inclined angle is ellipse. Okay, the all of you the problem, see the diagram. అర్థమవుతుందా బాబు? ఎనీబడి రెస్పాన్స్ టు యూ? హలో,
Yes, sir.
కోనిక్
Sir.
సెక్షన్ మనం కట్ చేస్తే ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది? ఈజ్ ఫోర్ పార్ట్స్ కెన్ బి డివైడింగ్ the example problem can be there. See the diagram. The first ellipse is a section making an angle is a 90 degrees of the is a perpendicular, is a AA is perpendicular. Perpendicular is cutting the diagram. This angle is circle. When the cutting plane is passing through the apex, the basic of the cone to intersection of the triangle to use to there. Okay, see next one, to the cutting of plane inclined to the axis of the cone. Okay, the inclined for just inclined to incline at the axis of the cone to incline of the axis of the cone more than half of the apex angle of the less than 90 degrees. Is the curve of the section is an ellipse. Its size of depend on the angle distance of the section plane from the apex of the cone. Okay. First circle is to perpendicular of the angle making it 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. Cut the cone to this the cone. The perpendicular axis is exactly 90 degrees. Can be cut. The plane is circle. The inclined angle. Inclined angle is BB. Inclined angle is BB. More than half of the apex angle. More than half of this angle is the inclined to the axis of the cone. The curve of the intersection of the wooden of the ellipse. Okay, this is one ellipse. So when the cutting of the plane inclined of the axis of the cone is parallel to greater than the line is joining apex, the point of the circumference of basic, the curve of intersection is parabola. The next is a parabola. Parabola, if the angle is equal to when the section of the plane CC. Okay, see the diagram. CC. Okay, CC. CC is a parallel to the slightly side to the conic cone to the curve at the section of the parabola. This is a not a closed line is a circle is a ellipse. Okay, see the side of the depend in the upon the distance for the section of the plane, the slightly to the parabola S of the cone. Okay, see when the cut the plane, the inclined to the apex of the cone is a parabola to the generate. Okay, greater than is a line of joining the apex at the point on the circumference of the basic to curve of the intersecting of the parabola. Okay, intersecting of the parabola. Write down the point, all of you, in the notebook. Is a very important of the 4 points. Is the ellipse, circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Is a three example. So many problems here. Write down the cut the conic section. Is a basic level. Is a cut the conic section. How to draw the diagram. Okay, is a practically go to the diagram can be see the different conic section can be you to there is a section plane of the CC, section plane of the DC, section plane of the BB to used to there in the all the diagram. First one the circle, the perpendicular of the circle. Second one is a parabola. Third one is a hyperbola. Is a give the circle can be first one circle, second one ellipse, third one if the angle is less the section the plane of D the plane of the D. Okay, clear about you cut the angle the for example cone is a cut the angle the different angle first circle ellipse parabola and hyperbola this is different cut the angle to so many figure there in the uh, axis. Okay, see then the first one take the circle is over ellipse is over parabola is over. Okay, next is a cut the plane is inclined at the very small angle with the apex. Okay, when the cutting the plane write down the all of you point. Okay, when the cutting the plane is inclined at the very small angle with a axis are parallel to the axis, the curve of the intersection of the hyperbola. Okay, these are all of you. The right on the point. These are hyperbola. Okay, see, there are hyperbola to the curve of the section hyperbola. These then the curve to the intersection of the hyperbola. The provide of the section plane is passing through the when the axis of apex to the section of the plane of passing through the apex to section of the to the triangle to produced by the pair. Okay, see the when the cutting of the plane is inclined at a very small angle with a axis. Okay, with the axis are parallel to axis, the curve of the intersection is a hyperbola. The curve is result in the cutting the plane, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola as a defined. The plane is curve when the focus of the moving a point with the reference of the fixed point is known as a focus, and a fixed straight line is known as a directrix. These are 3 point: focus and the fixed point or straight line or directrix. Okay, these are 3 points can be used to all the fixed point known as a focus, and the fixed straight line is a directrix. Okay, all of you write down the is the 3 points to use to there in the diagram. Hello,
Yes, sir.
write down the this point is very important. A plane curve with a locus of the moving a point is the reference of the at the fixed point is known as a focus point. The fixed point ఏది ఉందో అది focus point అంటారు, and a fixed straight line is a directrix. Okay, see the this important of the diagram to use to there in the all of you in the line. Okay, this ABC is clear about you. The eccentricity, the first one A, if E is equal to 1, it is a parabola. Is a write down the all of you. This is a notebook. Okay, the where is the eccentric is E is the ratio of the distance of the point from focus to the distance of the point for the directrix. Okay, see these are all the points. These are parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse. This point can be there when the curve, the result of the cutting plane, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola as a defined as a plane curve with a focus point is a moving a point is a reference at a fixed point is known as a focus point, and a fixed straight line is a directrix. Okay, see these are very important to all of you. These are eccentric is the first one is if E is equal to eccentric, E is equal to is a parabola. Okay, E is equal to write down the all of you distance of the moving the point from the focus this by distance point of moving point for the directrix. F by the eccentricity. If the conics define a locus point when the moving a plane in a such a way in the ratio of the distance from the focus to the direct distance from the directrix is always of the constant. This constant of ratio is called a eccentricity. All of you write down the point. This is a conics is a defined as a locus point which moving in a plane, the any plane, cut the plane is a plane. This is a diagram. The plane in such a that the ratio of the its a distance from the focus to its a distance of the directricity is always constant. Okay, this is a focus point and the directricity always constant. This is a constant ratio is called a eccentricity. It is spawned by the E. Okay, this is a letter E. The eccentricity E equal the distance of the moving the point from the focus by distance of the moving point for the directricity. These are called a Fm by Am is always constant. All of you write down the note this point. Okay, this point is a very important. Draw the diagram. Before diagram, this is a diagram to the eccentricity E is equal to the distance of the moving the point from the focus by distance of the moving a point directricity. This Fm by Am is always constant. Okay, if less than this write on the point eccentricity. If E is equal E is equal it's equal to then the curve is a parabola. E equal to parabola. If the greater than curve is hyperbola, is the less than curve is ellipse. Is a 3 point right on the all of you. The very important is a diagram. See all of you textbook. This textbook can be reference the textbook any but or a different drawing book. Is the point is very important. The before drawing, the draw the diagram. See the point is very important. Okay, if he less than 1, then the curve is be ellipse. If the equal to the 1, if the equal to 1, then the curve is will be parabola. If it is greater than 1, the curve is hyperbola. There are many geometrical methods construction of the conic section following the commonly used this method to use to there. Okay, the all of you to clear about this topic, the conic section, the after and before is a topic can be used to in the clear road. The next class can be the draw the diagram. Okay, all of you write on the point. Hello, రాసుకున్నా అమ్మ పాయింట్